This keyboard packs a punch that's hard to ignore, but can it truly deliver on all its promises? Let's dive into the RK Royal KLUDGE L75. Right off the bat, the gasket mount structure is a standout feature, offering a surprisingly soft and cushioned typing experience that genuinely reduces vibrations. It feels premium, especially when paired with those durable PBT keycaps. What really impressed me, though, is the sound dampening. With 5 layers of padding, including thick foams and an IXBE switch pad, the usual hollow keyboard sounds are practically non-existent. It's a super smooth and satisfying experience, making typing a joy. Connectivity is a breeze with its tri-mode setup, too: 4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5, and USB-C. Switching between devices is seamless, and the south-facing RGB lighting adds a nice touch of flair without being overbearing. For productivity, the 5 customizable macro keys and the handy volume knob are game changers. I found myself using the macro keys for my most frequent shortcuts, and the volume knob is just so convenient for quick adjustments. But the real innovation here is the touchable nameplate. Being able to customize touch actions for both Windows and Mac is incredibly cool. I set mine to launch my favorite browser and trigger a complex macro, and it feels futuristic to have that level of control at my fingertips. And let's talk about the battery, a massive 8000 mAh. You're looking at up to 700 hours with RGB off, which is insane. Even with RGB on, 60 hours is more than enough for most users. Checking the battery level is as simple as FN plus enter. The hot swappable PCB is another huge plus, supporting both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, so you can really personalize your setup. Whether you go for the smooth RK linear cream or the tactile beige switches, customization is easy. Overall, the RK Royal KLUDGE L75 is a seriously impressive keyboard that blends premium features, excellent sound dampening, and innovative touches like the touchable nameplate into a compelling package. It's a strong contender for anyone looking for a versatile and high-performing 75% keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.